So today we are playing on FNAF 3. And I believe that Springtrap and he's the only one who can jump scare you. I'm sure this is going to be great. I'm already on night 3 because I've been testing it. And let's just get to it. That's base right now. Didn't tell you how much you get paid. Turn that volume down a bit. Still getting those calls. That's Freddy. Look at all those toys. Oh, shut up. Okay, I'm just going to mute the call because I can barely hear it. We have a good tactic to keep it. Let's Springtrap away. I believe the first night is quite easy. So yeah. What you need to do, you need to play audio on camera 8. Because you in the first video still cam 12 on Mac toggle. Once you've done that, go over here, fix your audio devices. Like this. Like that, just like a bus. And then play audio. Come back over here, audio fixes, and it just goes in that pattern. And we're already at 2 AM, so this is pretty easy. I hope you enjoyed this Let's Play series. I'm probably going to do night 2 on this video as well, because yeah, it's just too easy the first one. There's no threat on you, just no threat at all. Is that the marionette? Who cares? Let's fix these audio releases. Easy. I'm going to use this on Harder Night Circle, but if it didn't start working, then we'll do something else. This is so easy. We're in like 2 minutes for a second vid. We'll just carry on doing this. This is good. This is really good. Who's here? Doing a YouTube video. Sorry about that, guys. It's my mom. Entering the room. This tactic, well, it's already 5 AM. This is too easy, but you know, Springtrap isn't active at all. None of the Phantom. I think this is just something to get used to what tactics you're gonna do and getting used to the game. For when the real thing comes on night 2. Where a few Phantoms are active and Springtrap's a little bit active. On the PC it's tougher to do it all. Especially on FNAF 2 I always get jump scared by Chica. This is night, I'm probably going to do night 2 because the video is like only 3 minutes. So mini games. I'm on Android here, so it's probably not going to change it. Mangle's quest complete. So remember, when you first get on it, go to cam 12, you can see all that. And play audio here, fix audio devices. This. Audio device. I'm just going to shut up because that's boring talking. So when you signal that vent, you're practically blocking Springtrap. This goes the way better, but it's not. It's the opposite to think that. Sometimes you won't do that. Basically not going to do it. Just do it. Okay, so it's 1 AM. This is going well. I'm liking this. See, he's not there, but he comes back. Sorry about that. I'm not sure whether this is caused a problem because I never I had to fix something else, but we'll see what happens. Oh well. Still in there. No problem. It's going to be a very short video, isn't it? Very short. I believe the reason why the audio brings him back is because Springtrap hasn't got a child. By that sound, it makes it sound like there's a child there. So you can't, like, if he's looking at you there, you can't just put him into the first room, put him into the next room to him, which is the room where the exit door is. Yes, so if really I'm on night 2, you should really use this tactic. This is a great tactic to use, especially when I'm doing it. Why should I turn it off, Heather? No, Heather. I think I will not turn it off. Not FaceTime to anyone, it's a YouTube video. Sorry about this, this is dumb shit. Hi. Yeah, I'm gonna go to Flamingo then. Have you disturbed my video? She's just reading through a bunch of these vouchers and coupons, like an old person does. 5 AM guys, and we've just been doing this all night. Get back in. Yeah. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It never works for me. Always works for everyone else though. Got another 10 minutes now in the video. So I'm gonna end the video at this night. Every video is gonna be at least 10 minutes long. 6 AM. Okay. So yeah, good video. Hope you enjoyed it. Just show you the mini game, and then I'll end the video. What's this? Oh, is this a real mini? Gotta collect the cupcakes. Yeah. Okay. And collect these. I think I could have done better than 4, but